Hello everyone. I just finished filming an episode about how we can save on skincare products, makeup, or products that we use on our body, considering that there is an ongoing trade war, not only between the US and Canada, but now other countries are involved, right? After I did my episode, towards the end of that filming, I really felt very emotional. And the reason is because my YouTube channel has majority of its followers from the US. You have all been always so supportive, and I love you all. I feel for you, my American followers, whether you are on my YouTube channel, on my TikTok platform, my Instagram, or even my Facebook page. We are your brothers from the North. We are your sisters from the North. We are your ally. And we travel, we cross the border, we go there like we're just traveling to another city, but we're actually crossing borders. And we've always felt comfortable crossing the borders. But right now, I personally feel a little bit restrained because of what's happening. So much uncertainty right now. And I watch the news every day, because I want to see what's going on, because we in Canada want to be ready. And the rallies have started in America. I'm praying for all of you. And my channel, my platforms, anything is not political, because I am not a political person. I just want to empower you. I want you to feel good about yourself. So this video is specifically for my followers in the US. I love you all. I don't have to know whether you voted for Trump or not. It's not my business to know. My business is to know that you are okay. And that if you're going through difficulty or uncertainties because of everything, whether it's financial, whether it's mental, emotional, be strong. These are not normal times, right, that you're going through. And there will always be humanity. Somehow, somewhere, when everything's chaotic, when there's just so much hopelessness sometimes, and things where you have to make a choice, know that you can always hope that humanity will prevail. And I feel sad because without this trade war, we would buy Canadian, American, without having to worry about tariffs. But now I see the threat. I feel the threat. We think of everybody. We think of each one. And that's why I'm a small voice. But I hope that with this video, I can inspire you to just hang in there. I know how much you support my channel. And you know how much I acknowledge that. And I appreciate you for that. Know that this political chaos does not come in the way of us empowering one another. We have a voice. And if you can use your voice for the good of everyone, if you can use your voice to unify one another for the common good, then let's do that. I respect my American friends, the average American who watches my YouTube channel, who tells me how happy they are when they watch my channel. That means so much to me. So I address my American followers that I appreciate you. And I hope that there will be an end to this, right? Because I want to see the good old days, where you don't see race, you don't see color, you don't see country. But now we're seeing country because, are you American? Are you Canadian? We don't see division. I'm holding this like it's my mic. So I just wanted to let you know that when you hear things that are triggered by the ongoing chaos, know that I forever appreciate you, my American followers, and to my Canadian followers. Let's stay strong, because now is the time that we can show the world that we cannot be bullied into submission, that we respect and honor our sovereignty, and that we are proud to be Canadian. I am such a proud Canadian. At this time, I have never been prouder to call myself Canadian. And so, above all, we are allies. We are allies. So, let's hope for the best. And I hope to see you in my next video. Take care of yourself. Bye for now.